and fucking dog shit all over your face.
Yeah, old bastard, yeah. Get your fucking area up in the air, you cunt.
We're still in the holding at the moment, you know what I mean? I've only got the head on the things.
I know, get it up, you're too fucking lazy, you old bastard.
I'm losing 7.
And me. I've got a flat. Matt, tell him I've got a flat.
You just told him you got a flat, Mitch, he's got a flat.
What floor?
I don't know. I think he's in the basement.